Ergonomic split-key design. Integrated palm rest supports your wrists, releases median nerve pressure and reduces forearm tension. Natural arm and hand position while typing minimize chances of RSI, and carpal tunnel syndrome. Wireless 2.4 GHZ and Bluetooth connection. Switch between two connection options at the bottom of the keyboard. Nano receiver is stored safely in the compartment at the bottom of the keyboard. Dual operating system. Compatible with Mac and Windows including shortcuts and function keys. 4 additional switchable keys for Mac of Windows key layout and a key puller is also provided in the box. Tactile responsive keys. With long travel distance that gives a satisfying typing feeling and decreases mistyping. Type comfortably with its built-in palm rest that is large to provide comfort while typing for a long period of time. Convenient multimedia keys. 7 multimedia keys are optimized to work with Mac and Windows. Keys are tactile responsive and a pleasure to use. Switch between access to open browser and email, volume up, down, mute function, sleep mode and search. Top reviews from the United States. What? A keyboard? Works like a keyboard. Punch your fingers all over the board and stuff appears on the screen in front of you. The amazing thing is that no matter what you punch in, it is almost always wrong. This cannot be defined as the board's problem, it is primarily the operator that mucks everything up. Spell check fixes most mistakes, however, often you will need to refer back to your favorite high school class to see where you went wrong. Often I find that E equals Mic2 was correct and your later invention was wrong. Sorry, but that's the way it is.